All right. Good morning. I'm John Arns, Director of Elections in San Francisco. So today is August 15th, 2024, 9 a.m. And today we're going to draw the random alpha letters for Assembly District 19 because according to California Elections Code Section 13111I, if there's a assembly district or assembly district that covers 2 counties or more, then the counties must independently draw random alphas for that contest. So we'll do that today for AD 19 in San Francisco. I have the letters of the alphabet right here. I'll fold them, I'll put them in the jar. We are streaming and record this and put it on our website. And then once we draw, we'll post it on our website as well. So there's A.
Also applies to state senate districts.
Yeah, we don't have that. It's just San Francisco. B. There's C. And there's D. E. There's F. There's G. There's H. There's I. This is the most exciting part of the event. There's J. There's K. There you go. There's M. There's N. There's O. P. Q. S.
Home stretch. Home stretch.
So, we got some brave volunteers. Filet. Don't look in the jar. Pull it out.
N.
It is N. Thank you. We have recruits. Come. So, yes. Winter, we missed you for the ballot title. Come on. Don't look in the jar.
Would you want to do a little more cleanup in the MLS password character count on this too?
X.
It's just, hopefully this is not.
Q. We've run dry. Regan. W.
You want the letter?
G. You can draw more. Winter, Jenny. You guys can draw two, then Al's come back to some more too. All right. M. There you go. Anyway. Welcome to do more. B. Alice.
I have to remember which one each of those positions.
Yes. Ah, Teddy.
Yes.
All right. Let's do another one, Teddy. You did such a good job. B.
Yay.
F. Thank you. You can do two as well. That's your practice. There's O. And R. E. Open the jar. C. Do another one.
Okay.
K. Wanna do three, sort of trend?
Oh, crazy.
Y. All right, Clay. Two as well. Yeah, you're right.
L.
L. Two, three.
E.
E.
U.
And U. All right. Who's next? Who's next? Somebody. Johnson's coming back for three more.
Coincidence, I never did this. A.
A. T. D. Who's next? Alice. Passion. Just finish it. We got 5 more to go. 6 more. Do a few more. I. J. I'll just finish so we get 2 more after this. P. Oh no, wait. Oh, come back. Finish over. H. And the last one is Z. How'd that work out? All right, That's it. Thank you. All right. Is that it? You, Shane?